pay without dr. Okay, now give next configuration step. Give next configuration step. 21st, set tolerance limits for price variance. Give next configuration step. Set tolerance limits for price variance.
Set tolerance limits for price.
Variance. Price variance. VARI variance. Okay. Up to write down the path. Up to materials management same path. Up to materials management same path. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Then purchasing. Then purchasing. After purchasing. Then purchasing. After purchasing, purchase order. Okay. After purchasing, purchase order.
Purchasing.
After purchasing, purchase order.
Uh-huh.
After purchase order, same set tolerance limits for price variance. Okay. Decode is
After purchase order, set
after
tolerance.
purchasing, purchase order. Yes. After purchasing, purchase order. After purchase order, next one is set tolerance limits for price variance. Set tolerance limits for price variance. Decode is OME4. OME4.
OME.
E4. Numeric.
You కదా.
OM. Just a minute. Sorry. It is U. Sorry. I thought actually I saw this one. OMEU.
Seriously.
Okay. Then come to this configuration. Okay. And then these two things. Select these two company code.
भैया थोड़ा क्लोजर आओ ना माइक के स्टार्टिंग के तरफ अभी फिर से
Okay.
इट्स लैगिंग
Okay. Just a minute.
एग्जीक्यूट
1 minute. Now
अभी अच्छा है
is it okay? I am using now
हाँ
earphone. This one. Okay. Now audio I have started here also. Okay. So now select these two. Select 1000 with PE, 1000 with PE company code, and select 1000 with SE. These two select. Select these two. Okay, and then click on copy as button. Then click on copy as button. Okay, here what we should do after clicking on copy as button. Okay, so here change to our company code li01 li01. Okay, so here lower limit below absolute do not check. Here let it be check limit. Okay, then do not check. Keep it as it is only. Okay, after that just I have changed the company code, then click enter. Click enter, then again change it to our company code. Okay, and then again click enter. Again click enter. Now these two copied. Click on save. Click on save. Okay, now this configuration is done. Click on save. Now this configuration is done. Now give next configuration step. Give next configuration step. Yeah, give next configuration step. Copy plant parameters. Copy plant parameters in bracket inventory management. Copy plant
Inventory.
parameters. Copy plant parameters in bracket, write down inventory management. Inventory management.
Manager.
Management.
Management. Management up to, yeah, and write down the path up to same path. Up to same path. After that, up to same path. Then inventory management and physical inventory up to same path. Then inventory management and physical inventory. After that, plant parameters. Next, plant parameters. Yeah, this one. And there is no T code actually. So by path only we should come here. Okay. After inventory management and physical inventory.
वॉइस फिर से चला गया.
मैं after maybe network issue I have this Wi-Fi, maybe network issue.
Now it is good, bro.
रिकॉर्डिंग हो रहा क्या भैया?
Yeah, recording already. Yeah, inventory management and physical inventory. After that, plant parameters. Okay, there is no T code actually. So we'll come to this configuration. Okay, then click on no, please don't write anything. Again, what we will do, we will select our standard this one, this plant, Habsburg plant only. Select 1000 Habsburg, this one. Select 1000 plant and click on copy as button. Select 1000 plant, click on copy as button. And now you can see specify target entries. So we will just specify our plant, Patanjali plant LMP1. Okay, we will give our plant LMP1 and do one more thing. Keep days movement allowed. It has given 100. Keep days movement allowed 0. Keep days movement allowed 0. Then save it. Enter and save it. Enter and save it. Now write down next. Select LMP1. Click on copy as button.
After
Select,
saving?
after saving, next. For second plant we will do
LMP2.
Yeah, for LMP2, but we will now refer from our own plant only, LMP1. We can refer that 1000 also, no issue, but it's better to refer LMP from LMP1 only. So now select second plant. Now select LMP1, click on copy as button and just change description from LMP1 to LMP2, not description, this naming convention, LMP1 to LMP2, enter and save. Similarly, do it for LDP1.
P1.
Yeah. LDP1 and save it. Okay. Now next configuration, write down set tolerance limits. Next configuration, set tolerance limits. Set tolerance limits. Please write down the path. Write down the path.
बोलिए
SPRO, SPRO. After that, materials management. SPRO, then materials management. After inventory management and physical inventory. Inventory management and physical inventory. Okay. After that, goods receipt. After inventory management, physical inventory, then goods receipt. After goods receipt, set tolerance limits. Set tolerance limits. Okay. Please write down the P code OMC0. OMC0.
C for camel.
Yes, C as a camel.
Zero, zero.
0, numeric 0.
0 for
Zero.
OMC0. Okay. We'll
Okay.
come to this configuration. Okay. So select 1000 B1. Select company code 1000 and this target key as this one, not target. This is what is it? TL. This TL key, select B1. Then select 1000 and select B2 and this VP. Select these three. 1000 company code 1. Select this 1000 with B1, 1000 this line, these three line, 1000 B2, 1000 VP, and then click on copy as button. Then click on copy as button. Okay. Click on copy as button and target company code, give our company code LI01. LI01. You can write down this screen also, check limit. By default it is coming like that only, but you can write down check limit or 50%, 50% like that. Okay. Okay. Then I will click enter. Click enter. For B1 completed. For B2, again change company code. Again change company code LI01. Check limit 20%, 20%. Okay. Again enter. For VP, again LI01. Okay. Do not check and below one check up to 25%. Okay. Click enter and save it. Click enter and save. Okay. Now,
Sorry.
company code, do not check this one. Yeah, now please give next heading. Please give next heading. Go to FS00. We will create inventory GL accounts. Okay. The GL accounts we are going to create and GRIR also. So please give next heading. Go to FS00. Go to FS00.
For
FS00. Go to FS00. GL account we are going to create. Okay. So GL account, the GL account which we are going to create, 233000. Give GL account 233000 and then click on create. Click on create. Balance sheet account, inventory, account group I am selecting, A20 inventory, A230. A230 account group inventory I am selecting. Short text I am giving inventory raw material domestic. Inventory raw material domestic. Okay. Inventory raw material domestic. Then click on control data tab. Okay. Select. Click on control data tab. Do one thing here. Posting without text allowed select and text category. If I will select this star means all text types will be allowed. So give text category star and select this checkbox posting without text allowed. Select this checkbox, give text category star and select this checkbox posting without text allowed. Line item display, select this checkbox and 014 select this sort key 014 which is purchase order. 014 select which is purchase order. Okay, now click on create bank interest tab. Click on create bank interest tab and give field status group G006 which is material amount. Click on create bank interest tab. Give field status group G006. Okay, and select post automatically. Goods receipt posting will be done automatically only, right? So we need to select this checkbox, post automatically only. And save this GL. Save this GL account. Now, second GL account we are going to create. Inventory import material. Inventory import material. So we'll create with template we will do. We will refer from this first one. So give this GL account, give second GL account, give 233001. Give 233001 and click on create with template.
Inventory.
Give second GL account we are going to create 233001 which is inventory import material. Inventory import material. Okay. So click on create with template. We will create referring that raw material. Which one? Inventory raw material. We'll refer from that there. So click with template. Give GL account 233000. Give GL account 233000. Simply what we will change? Simply we will change the description.
text.
Text name, yes. So in short text, inventory import IMP material delete inventory import material. Okay, just give this one. Yeah, inventory import material. Click on and the rest of things are same only. Simply click on save. All things will be copied automatically. Now third GL account, we will create third GL account for consumables 233030. 233030. Okay. Third one is consumables 233030. Same with template we will create consumables. Okay, consumables. Now we will create this one consumables. Okay, then fourth GL account spare parts 233040. 233040. Fourth GL account 233040, which is spare parts. Spare part. Okay. Now fifth GL account packing material. We will same with template I am creating every time now. Okay. So fifth GL account 233050. 233050. This one is packing material. Okay. Then sixth GL account 233100. 233100. Sixth one is 233100. 100 means trading goods inventory. Trading goods inventory. Trading goods inventory. Trading goods inventory. Now seventh GL account we will create. Seventh GL account we will create. Now SRIR clearing account, seventh GL account 179200 SRIR clearing account. Next seventh GL account 179200. This one we will not copy, we will not create with template. This one will create alone. Okay. Click on create button. Click on create button. Select account group L170, which is current liability. Select L170, which is current liability. Select balance sheet review button. Give short text and long text. SRIR clearing account. SRIR clearing account. Okay. Give short text and long text. SRIR clearing account. Click on control data. Click on control data tab. Okay. And then same text category star means all text types allowed. Text category star. And select this checkbox posting without text allowed. Posting without text allowed. Checkbox. Select. Then select open item management checkbox. Select open item management checkbox, and then select line item display checkbox, and select sort key 014. Then select sort key 014. Select sort key 014. After that, click on create bank interest tab. Click on create bank interest tab and give field status group G045, which is goods invoice received clearing account. Give field status group G045 and select post automatically checkbox. Select post automatically checkbox and click on save. Save it. Okay.
What is this SR?
Service.
SRIR means service receipt, invoice receipt for service related purchases. And GRIR we will create next, which is for goods receipt. So now we will create next GL. Please give next GL. We are going to do. Please give heading. create 179,300. Create 179,300 with template from 179,200. Create 179,300 with template from 179,200. Li01 complete. Okay. So now only we need to change as, remove as, and make it put as GRIR. GRIR trading account, and then save.
This is a capital account, is it?
This is a liability account, right?
Nice. Means service after service, here it is capital. Right? So
No,
capital group.
means I'm not getting what.
Where?
This is balance sheet account, right? Balance sheet account.
Okay.
Yeah.
No, he's not talking about that.
Hmm?
He is asking about the material groups which we have configured in the defined OMSF.
Okay.
In
So,
material groups, we have given right domestic material import, consumables, spares, packing, trading, service. After
Okay.
service, here it is capital group. So asking that one.
Okay.
This GL is regarding
Capital,
capital group.
capital actually we will create for finished goods. So right
Okay.
now capital we will do for finished goods. Yes. So for right now we will not use this that for finished goods. Okay. So now please give next GL we will create. Create this 401000 401000, which is price difference GL account. This is price difference GL account. This concept I will tell you guys. Uh, Create 401000, which is price difference GL account. 401000. Will create alone. Click on create button. Okay. This is 40 raw material consumed. This account group will select E40, E400 raw material consumed, and LPUR functional area, LPUR, L purchase, short text and long text, price difference, price difference account. Give short text and long text, price difference account, price difference account. Click on control data tab. Click on control data tab. Same text category star, posting without text allowed checkbox, line item display, and sort key 001. Line item display, sort key 001. Then click on create bank interest tab. Click on create bank interest tab. Give field status group G003, which is material consumption accounts. Give field status group G003 and select post automatically only checkbox. Select post automatically only checkbox and save it. Save this one. Now we are done with our this all GL accounts. Next, give next heading. Define next configuration. Give heading. Define valuation control. Define valuation control. Okay. Define valuation control. Okay. So please write down the path SPRO, MM, SPRO. After that MM. After MM, materials management, valuation and account assignment. Valuation and account assignment. After MM, valuation and account assignment. After that, account determination. After that, account determination. After that, account determination without wizard. Account determination without wizard. And the last one is define valuation control. Define valuation control. P code is OMWM. Both the times M. OMWM.
After wizard, define.
Define valuation control. Define valuation. Account determination without wizard. After that, define valuation control. P code is OMWM. Okay. So just see here, this radio button we need to select, which is already there. Valuation grouping code active. So it should show like this. This should be selected. Valuation group code active. Radio button should be selected. Valuation group code active. Okay. So now come back. Now give next configuration heading. Give next configuration heading. Give next configuration heading. Group together valuation area. Group together valuation area. Group together valuation area. Okay. Valuation area means what?
Which integrates that GL.
Many. That is valuation class. Valuation area I am talking about. That
Plant.
is
Plant.
plant. Yes. So after coming to this configuration, click on position. Click on position. Give our valuation area LMP1. LMP1. Okay. And valuation group code. Give valuation group code L001. L001. For all three plants, give L001. Okay. Valuation group code. Here we are assigning to our company code and
Bro,
yes.
group together valuation area after executing.
After
Position.
executing, click on position button. Give our valuation area. Click on position. Give our valuation area. LMP1. Give our valuation area LMP1. After that, this is screen you can refer, and we need
Okay.
to assign valuation group code L001. This one to all three hours. Okay. Then save it. Now see what is the concept behind this. So if we want to maintain means separate GL account, if suppose we want to maintain same GL accounts, okay, in all these three plants, inventory GL account, we want to maintain same GRIR, these all GL accounts, we can give same valuation group code. If we want to maintain separate GL accounts, let's suppose separate raw material GL accounts, we can maintain this valuation group code separately. If we want to maintain same, we can give same valuation group code. Okay.
Okay.
So now next, please give next configuration heading. Define valuation class. Give next configuration.
Define valuation classes.
Define valuation classes. Yes, this is what GL it helps in the GL integration.
Yeah.
T code is same path, and T code is OMSK. Same path, T code is OMSK. Same path, T code is OMSK. After coming to this configuration, click on valuation class. So there are three options. So we need to write down, click on valuation class. It is actually already there. Just we are checking anything is missing or not. Means we need to check all valuation class. Click on position button, give
Yeah.
3000. Click on position button, give 3000. 3000 means you can see raw material already there. 3001 means import already there. Spare parts 30. That's why we have created GL like that. Okay. Operating supplies 30. 40 means spare parts. Okay. Trading goods, packing material 50. Trading goods 3100. Services 3200. So like that, it's all the valuation classes standard given by SAP already available in the system. Okay, so this is also done. Now please give next heading. Please give next configuration heading. Configure automatic posting. Configure automatic posting. Configure automatic posting. Okay. T code is OBYC. T code is OBYC. Same path as above. T code is OBYC. Configure automatic postings. T code is OBYC.
Okay.
Okay. So we will come to this configuration. So when you will click on that, you can see the screen. Click on cancel button. Click on cancel button and write down, click on cancel button. Then click on account assignment. Click on cancel. Then click on account assignment. Okay. Click on cancel button and click on account assignment. We have to deal with BSX, right? And WRX. BSX for inventory, WRX for GRIL. So for inventory posting, double click on BSX line, double click on BSX transaction, business transaction, double click on BSX or inventory posting, double click on BSX, then give our chart of account LOCA, give our chart of account LOCA. Okay, give our chart of account LOCA, then click on continue, click on continue, click on continue. After that, select these two check boxes, valuation modification and valuation class. Select these two check boxes, valuation modification and valuation class. Valuation modification and valuation class, select these two check boxes. After that, click on save. Click on save. Okay. And then here valuation group code. We defined right valuation group code in previous step. So here we will give valuation group code, same valuation group code L001.
After checking the valuation class, we have to save.
After yes, after checking the valuation modification and after checking the valuation class, click on
Hmm.
save.
Hmm.
After that, this screen we have come. In next screen,
Okay.
give valuation modification. You can write down in bracket also. This is valuation group code, which we have defined in the previous step. This valuation modification means valuation group code, which we did the configuration in previous step, L001. Then valuation class we will give 3000, and account we will give specific, which we have defined the GL account for this one. Raw material domestic 2,33,000. Okay. Same way we will do for another like other material type. For this GL we have defined 233,001 L001 3030 2330 30 L001 3040 233040. Please write down L001 30 3050 23050 3100 233 Okay, then save it. OMWD. OMWD. Let me just open this one. OMWD. Our valuation class is LDP1. Now you can see this is the valuation group code, which is same as valuation modification. Okay, so to this valuation group code, what we have linked, we have connected to our valuation group code with chart of account, we have connected with our company code, and we have connected with our plant. Okay, so this valuation modification or valuation group code is connected with our chart of account, company code, valuation area, and then next configuration what we did to this valuation group code, we have linked GL account and valuation class. Okay, so in this way, this GL account belongs to our company code, means like that there is a connection. Okay, now click come back and double click on WRX, which is for GRIS, right? We need to configure. Come back, click on back button, and then GRIS cleaning account business transaction is WRX. Double click on WRX business transaction. Double click on WRX business transaction. Select same valuation modification and valuation class. Select same valuation modification and valuation class.
Double click on WRX.
WRX. Okay. Double click on WRX. Then next screen, select valuation modification and valuation class. Select valuation modification and valuation class. Then save it. Save this one. Give valuation modification L001. Keep valuation class empty 179200, which is SRIL clearing account. Give that GL account. Okay. Now give next L001. Give 3000 valuation class, and then 179300 GRI. Above 179200 is SRIR and 179300 for GRI. I will explain why I am keeping this blank. I will explain it. First write down L001 3001, and then this one control V. Control C. You guys write it down?
Yeah.
Okay. So 3001, 3030, 3040, 3050, 30 100 3100. This one is okay. So now please write down, and now you can see this is valuation class for domestic material. This is for next one for import material. 30 is for operating supplies. Fourth one is for spare parts, and we are assigning GRIL cleaning account to this uh, inventory. This one
GI.
inventory valuation class. But for SRIR, there is these valuation class are for inventory. For services, not for services. This we are keeping it blank because it is for service related SRIR. So that's why we are keeping it blank.
So there won't be any valuation class for services?
Valuation class actually is there, but we need to keep it blank. 3200 is there only, but we need to keep it blank.
Why?
Yeah, this is the question why. This is the question why, because you see this is there only. OMSK. If I will come to this one, let me see whether it is there or not. I think if it is not there, that's why OMSK 3200. It is there only, right?
Correct.
3200. It is there only, but we need not to give okay services. Okay. No, see, for services there is no classification. Okay. Uh, like for raw material, there are classification, different types of raw materials, right? So to use different types of services, there is no further classification of these services. Like which kind of services are there? There can be multiple
Okay.
services, advertisement, and multiple any service, catering service. So there can be 100 types, but there is classification of goods, and there is no classification. This is just given one, so there is no classification of services. That is the reason we need to keep it as a blank. Then keeping it blank means it can be used for any services. Okay, let me show you, no problem. Keeping it blank means we can use this SRIR GL account for any services,
Service.
but we cannot. You can see this 3000. We are keeping here this 3000 for this valuation class. We will use like for this 3000 we are assigning this GRI, right? But for this 3000 valuation class, can we use another GL account, another goods GL account, inventory GL account? No, right?
Yes.
We cannot use because we have assigned 233000. You remember? For this one separate, for this one separate, for this one separate inventory GL account. For all we have given separate GL account. Since there is no classification for services, that is why we are keeping it blank so that any services can be used. That this is the reason. Okay.
Got it. Yes.
Okay. So now please give next heading. 29 configuration. Define document type for entry view. Define document type for entry view. T code is OBA7. I'm coming by T code only, okay? Or you guys can write down the path also. Come by T code only because we have done this one many times. Define document type for entry view. Define document type for entry view. T code is OBA7. T code is OBA7. Same document type. SA, KR, DR, DG. Same one. Actually, we will define for our this one also. For MM in MM module also we will define. So document type WE. Click on position. After coming to OBA7, click on position button. Click on position button and give document type WE. Can you see? WE document type is for goods received. Okay. So it is already there, right? So select, click on position button, give document type WE, select, then select WE line, goods received, and click on details button. Click on details button. Now please write down this screen. Number range 50, reverse document type WE, accounts allowed, select for all, asset, material, vendor, customer, GL account, control data, negative posting allowed. So this screen please write down. Reference number, select reference number, like in KR document type also we have done, right? Make reference number mandatory. Select reference number mandatory. Select reference number mandatory and save it. And save it. But sorry. This is goods receipt. This is not invoice receipt. So in KR it was the invoice only, right? Invoice document, vendor invoice. So please remove this checkbox. Sorry, remove this reference number checkbox. That we will do in invoice receipt document type. So just simply it is already there. Just save it, and then next document type, second document type RE. Click on position button and filter with RE. RE is invoice receipt. Select RE, RE invoice receipt. Click on position button. Number range 51.
Click on details, na?
Click on position. First click on position button, give RE, then select that RE line, and then click on details button. After that, this next screen we will come. Here you can see the screen. Please write down number range 51. Select all accounts type allowed, reference number mandatory, and negative posting as it is. Please write down. Screen.
Here reference number is mandatory, right?
Reference number, yes, we will keep as mandatory only. Yes. Okay. So now, after that, now give next heading. Give next heading. Define document type for entry view in a ledger. Define document type for entry view in a ledger. Define document type for entry view in a ledger.
Define document type
For entry view in a ledger. Same way document type we are defining, the way we have defined for GL, SA and AB document type, KR document type in AP and AR. The same way we are going to define here also. Okay. Define document type for entry view in a ledger. T code you can write down. Same T code it is.
be
T code FBN1, right? I think so. No, I don't know. Maybe IBN only. Okay. So OBS 7 was for document types for entry view. It is entry view in a ledger. Okay. So click here. Click on this configuration, and then give ledger. Give ledger IFRS ledger, which is our
transaction code nahi hai na?
T code hai, but I forgot FBN1. I think FBN1 is there. T code is there. You can check from the GL topic.
ठीक है.
It is there. GL in AP also we have defined. So now here it is not displaying. Ledger X1, which is IFRS ledger. Give ledger X1, which is our IFRS ledger. Okay. Now see, we have defined these all for IFRS. After that, click on new entries, give IFRS ledger, continue, click on new entries, give document type WE, number range 98, give invoice receipt RE, number range 98. Okay, then click on save. Click on save. Okay,
Mm.
then come back and again re-execute the same configuration. Now change the ledger US GAAP,
X2.
which is our US GAAP. Click on new entries, same WE, RE, both WERE, we will assign 99, 99, 99, 99. Okay. Now next configuration, define document type for general ledger view. Define document type for general ledger view. Define document type for general ledger view. Okay. Same IFRS. Give define document type for general ledger view. Give ledger X1. Give ledger X1. Give ledger X1. And now click on new entries. In RE give 50 number range. In WE give 50 number range. In RE give 51 number range.
Five.
Okay.
Mm.
Now now repeat the same for IFRS. Repeat the same for X2, which is our IFRS. Again come back and re-execute this configuration and change the ledger X2. Click on new entries, WE 50,
See.
RE 51. Okay. Then now we will define document number ranges for entry view. Define document number ranges for entry view.
Define.
Document number ranges for entry view. Define document number ranges for entry view. This one T code is there. FPN1. FPN1.
Mm-hmm.
Give me 2 minutes. I'm coming. Okay. Please give me 2 minutes.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. Fine. Hello.
So,
Yeah.
yeah,
Give next heading. Define document number ranges for entry view. Define document number ranges for entry view. T code is FBN1. T code is FBN1. FBN1. Okay. Now define number range. Okay. Give company code LI01. Give company code LI01. Then click on change intervals. Give company code LI01. Click on change intervals. And then add insert two lines. Click on insert line two times. Okay, because for 50 and 51 we need to do 2020 2024 50 from 5 9 times 0 to 5 0 8 times 9 in the 50 line, and in 51 line 5 1 8 times 0, and then 5 1 8 times 9. Okay, then click on save, click on save, click on continue. Changes were saved. Changes were saved. Okay, now give next heading. Define document number ranges for general ledger view. Define document number ranges for general ledger view. Okay, give company code LI01. Click change button. Okay, insert two lines. Insert two lines. Insert these two lines. Then same 50 and for 50 and 51, same range you will define. This is thing. You can write down 50 2024 5 9 times 0 5 9 times 0 2 number 5 0 8 times 9, same like above. And for 51 also same 51 0 0 0 like that. Okay, and then click on save, click on save. Okay, click on save, and now give next heading. Now please give next heading. Define tax procedure. Please give next heading. Define tax procedure.
Mm-hmm.
Define tax procedure. Write down the path. Write down the path. SPRO financial accounting new. SPRO financial accounting new. After that, financial accounting global settings. SPRO financial accounting new. Next, financial accounting global settings new. After that, tax on sales purchases. Then tax on sales / purchases. After that, basic settings. After that, basic settings. Then check calculation procedure. Check calculation procedure. T code is OBYZ. OBYZ. code is OBYZ. Okay. So we'll click on this configuration. Click on this configuration. Then after that, double click on define procedure. Double click on define procedure. Double click on define procedures. After that, select text I double this one. What is ours? Text IN. Where is this one? Yeah. Select text I double N. This is India text. Select text I double N. Select text I double N. Then click on copy as button. Then click on copy as button. Okay. And here we will we have created, right? For just a minute, just a minute. We created for Dilip, right? L. Okay. We have not created. For Dilip, we have not created, right? Okay, we are using this one standard only. Where it is text IN. Text IN. Okay. Please do one thing. Select text I double N. Click on copy as button. Click on copy as button. Here we will create our Dilip one. L text IN, and we can write also. This is actually standard, so we will not. That's why I'm copying it. Dilip IN India text name. Okay. After that, click enter. Click enter. Then click on copy all. Click enter, then click on copy all. Okay. Then continue. Click on continue. Okay. Then select L text IN and double click on control data. Double click on control data. See, here I am creating for Dilip specific, right? But in real time, country wise, which standard SAP has given the text procedure, we will use that one only. Okay. This is practice system. If I will touch and I will do any customization or any changes in the standard thing, there can be difficulty for other using my own client to practice. So in real time, whichever SAP has given the standard text procedure, that is only used depending upon the country. Like for India, text IN, for for US, text US, which SAP has given. Okay, we will not create this procedure because it fulfills. No need to create. Okay, so select this text IN, double click on control data. Here, step 250 and 260. In step 250 and 260, change change MWVS. In 250 line, change condition type as MWVS, and in 260 change MWAS. MWAS. Okay. And then you can see MWVS is input text, MWAS is output text. Change from 100 in both the lines. Account key, give VST in 250 line, and in 260 line give MWS. Okay, then click on save. Click on save. Save. Okay, now give next. Please give next configuration step. Assign country to calculation procedure. Assign country to calculation procedure. Same path as previous. Assign country to calculation procedure, same path as previous. T code is OBBG. T code is OBBG. Assign country to calculation procedure, T code is OBBG. Okay, come inside to this configuration. Then click on position. Give our country IN. Okay, here I'm changing this to L. L tax IN. Okay, then save it. Give L tax IN, which is Dilip tax India procedure. I will save it. Okay. Now give next configuration heading. Give next configuration heading.
How many configurations are there?
Now still
It's 35th.
I think four to six still remaining. Okay, so now define tax codes for sales and purchases. Define tax codes for sales and purchases. After that, select calculation. Okay, after that, select calculation. Then select define tax codes for sales and purchases. T code is FTXP. This is important configuration. This configuration we will do at the time of GST also, but right now we need to do. That's why we are doing right now also. Okay, define tax codes for sales and purchases. T code is FTXP. Okay, click on the configuration. Then next, give country IN. Continue. Give country IN. Continue. Then give tax code V0. Give tax code V0. Enter. After that, give tax code V0. Then click on enter. Okay, then give tax code description. Delete 0% input tax. Give tax code description. Delete 0% input tax. Delete 0% input tax. Okay, then give tax type as give tax type V, input tax. Then save. Tax code V0, delete 0% input tax, tax type V, which is input tax. Click on continue. And save it. Save it. Okay. Next, we will create A0. Next, we will create A0. Okay. So now, after that, I said continue and save. Nothing to do after that. Continue and save. Now next we will create A0. country IM, and then tax code A0, then enter, give description, Dilip 0%, Dilip 0% output tax, tax type A means output tax, continue and save. Okay.
Okay, bro.
Now go to now we need to create GL account. Go to FS00. Go to FS00. We will create tax payable account. Go to FS00. GL account. Create GL account 1,60,000. Create GL account 1,60,000. Okay. Balance sheet account. Account group tax payable L160 tax payable, short text and long text, tax payable account, tax payable account. Okay. Then click on control data tab. Click on control data tab. Posting tax category star, posting without tax allowed, line item display, short key 001.
8 second में आपको जी.
Okay.
Okay.
Then click on create bank interest tab. Click on create bank interest tab. Give field status group G001. Give field status group G001 and save. And save it. Now second GL will create here 2,60,000. Creates next GL 2,60,000, which is tax receivable account. Which is tax receivable account. Okay. Select account group A260 tax receivables. Short text and long text tax receivable account. Short text and long text tax receivable account. Okay, and then same as above. You can write down same as above previous GL account. Give same as above. Okay, and after that, next one, define tax account. Next, define tax account. Next configuration right now. Okay, write down the path up to define tax account. Write down the path up to tax on sales, up to tax on sales and purchases. Same path. Up to tax on sales on purchases. Same path. after that select postings. After that select postings, and then define tax accounts. Define tax accounts. Okay, here double click on VST. Here double click on VST, which is input tax. Double click on VST, which is input tax. Give chart of account LOCA. Give chart of account LOCA. Give chart of account LOCA. Then to next screen, simply save. Click on save. Click on save, and then give GL account 2,60,000. Give GL account 2,60,000, and then save it. Then save it. Okay. Come back, and give transaction MWS. Give transaction MWS, which is output tax. Same, click on save. Give transaction. Double click on MWS, which is output tax. Then in the next screen, click on save, and then give GL account 1,60,000 and save it.
1,60,000.
60,000. Now write down next configuration. Three, 4. Now we have 4 configuration left. Give next heading. Next configuration, assign tax codes for non-taxable transactions. Assign tax codes for non-taxable transactions. T code is OBCL. T code is OBCL.
Assign tax codes.
Assign tax codes for non-taxable transaction. You can see screen also. Assign tax codes. T code is OBCL. OBCL. Okay. After coming inside this configuration, click on position button. Click on position button. Give our company code LI01. Okay. And here give input tax V0. Output tax A0. Give to company code 2 also, LI02 also. V0 input tax, output tax A0. And then save it. Click on save and save it. Now write down next configuration. Please write down next configuration. Maintain default values for tax code. Maintain default values for tax code.
Default values for
Tax codes.
Okay.
Please write down the paths. SPRO. After that MM. After MM, logistics invoice verification. Okay, logistics invoice verification. After that incoming invoice. Next incoming invoice. After incoming invoice, same, maintain default values for tax code. Maintain default values for tax code. Okay, T code is OMR2. T code is OMR2.
Okay.
Then double click on that. Click on new entries. Click on new entries, and here give our company code LI01, give company code LI01, okay, and give tax code V0 in both, V0 V0 in both, okay, enter and save, enter and save, okay. Now please give next heading, give next heading, next heading, configure, configure vendor specific tolerances, configure vendor specific tolerances. P code is OMRX, OMRX. Configure vendor specific tolerances. P code is OMRX. This one.
Okay.
Okay. Same path as above. Same path as above. Okay. Same path as above. Okay. Now select these this company code 1000 with tolerance group 450 and then 1000 with tolerance group 550 and click on copy as button. Click on copy as button. In target, give our company code LI01. Enter. For 515 tolerance group, again give LI01. Okay, and then save. Then save it.
Okay.
Now give next heading, next configuration, set tolerance limit. Set tolerance limit. So select logistics invoice verification. Right on the path, select logistics invoice verification. After that, logistics invoice verification. After that, invoice block. After that, invoice block. Then next, set tolerance limits. Set tolerance limits. P code is OMR6. P code is OMR6. Okay. Then select this one. Click on position. Right on. Click on position button. Give company code 1000. Give company code 1000. Okay. Select all.
1000.
Give company code 1000. Click on position button. Give company code 1000. Okay. Select all tolerance key with 1000 except VP because VP we have already muted. Okay. Select
All this
all.
no, wait, 8 seconds, sorry. Will this company code will be available in our installation system also?
Yes, yes, 100%. It is a standard company. It will be available for sure.
Your last line item not selected.
Because this one we have already done in previous steps. So that's why I am deselecting this one. Okay. So select all except this one and then click on copy as button. We will copy to our company code LI01. Same. Now in target you can write on copy to our company code LI01 all. Okay, just doing that. Okay, 13, right? 13 we have copied, and we need to compare whether 13 are there or not for 1000. 1000. Let me cross check. Not written. I gave ls 0. Save. It already saved. Come back. 1000. 2, 3, 4, 5. 13 only, right? This one exit.
Correct.
This one. Save. Okay. लास्ट वन मंथ कर सकता हूँ 10 मिनट में कर सकते 10 मिनट में हम करेंगे okay my mother actually called so sorry so now this one is done so we have now give next last configuration define automatic status change define automatic status change okay and write down the path up to logistics invoice verification same path up to logistics invoice verification same path then next invoice verification in background and at last define automatic status change
Invoice verification. Invoice verification.
up to logistics invoice verification same path then next invoice verification in background after then again next define automatic status change okay click on new entries give company code li01 and then select this set correct invoice to computed checkbox tick and save click on new entries give our company code li01 and check this set correct check this checkbox okay and then click on save okay
Okay.
so 39 including master data also and trying to calculate that also so in all steps including master calculation 39 steps we covered including master data and 41 हो गया okay then 41 so now next class we will do the testing tomorrow we will do the testing okay and we will check the process transaction
Okay.
or you
Sure.
guys want to continue
No. Then
tomorrow
connect
it will be
tomorrow.
very like so tomorrow we will connect okay tomorrow what time we can connect